Hey guys, it's E here from Virginia Grace Living. So I just figured we'd do a quick update video today on some of our New Zealand rabbits that we have here. So we breed New Zealand rabbits for meat and also to sell as pets. So that's one of the ways we augment the feed prices and the feed costs on our homestead is through raising rabbits. I like to have things as much as self-sustaining mode as possible. So a homestead or a farm or any type of hobby type venture can become a money suck if you're not careful and you don't funnel funds back into it one way or the other. So this is just one of the ways that we do that. I also sell hot sauce and a few other things. If you've been following the channel, you'll be familiar with that. If not, thank you for stopping by and watching the video. But I'm gonna be quiet now and we're gonna look at Coco's kits that she has. All right, so these hutches that I have little side places that they like to go into. They're little hidey holes, and that's where I put the nesting box in here. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. And this one was made specifically for this hutch, so it fits in here really well. So let's pull this out and take a look at the little bunnies. All right, so here we have our bunnies, our little bitty New Zealand kits. She always has some really nice colors. So let's just get a real quick head count and make sure everybody's doing okay. So we got one. Oh. Try and get that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's a pretty color, 7, 8, 9, that one looks like his dad, Mr. Whiskers. Gonna be a broken black, white and black. 10, oh wait, hold on a minute, I might have 11 in here. Let me do a double count. I love how this one is mostly dark with that white spot on its head. Oh, if I can get a better look at that. All right, let's double count that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, maybe it's 10. It's really hard to tell when they're little like this because they're so squirmish, and I really try to do it quickly and get them back in here. But just another quick preview of these guys. Their hair's growing nice. They're starting to get a little fuzzy. So yeah, just another quick preview, and then we'll get them back to mom and get them covered back up. I don't like to keep them out away from mom too long. Here you go, Coco. Here's your babies. Come check on them. They're fine. I wouldn't hurt them. So generally I will keep them with her for about 4 to 5 weeks, and then I'll start weaning them off to the grow out pen over here where I have some of the other grow outs. And at that point I keep them at least till they're 8 weeks old, and then I will list them if people are looking for other rabbits so they can grow their own rabbitry. Or I will grow them out a little bit longer, and sometimes we'll process them here as well. But I generally sell a lot of them. So we do eat them. We're not ashamed of that, or scared to admit that or anything. But we also sell a good many as well. It's just another way to have a stream of income on the homestead. So with that being said, let's go take a look at some of the grow outs that I do have. So I have these 3 guys up top. These guys are about, I think, 9-10 weeks old now. This is a buck here, another buck. Oh no, that's a doe, and then this one's a buck right here. So, hey, and I have some younger guys down here, and these are mostly all bucks as well. This is Minnie's last litter. Coco, those were Coco's up there. And yeah, so that's what we got going on down here. That's why they say they can breed like rabbits. You can technically breed them again 2 weeks after they've given birth, but I give them longer than that. I don't breed them that quickly. But so these guys are about 7.5, 8 weeks old now, a little bit smaller. I've got a few different lettuces in here. I think this one's called Prize Head. Some Butterhead in there. Some nice spinach going. This is a red romaine. And we got some different chards. Swiss chard, really pretty. Bright red one. And just a few different things. Some radishes. And some pak choy there that I'll pick and throw in some stir fry soon. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up.
If you enjoyed the video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to this video right now.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and
God bless.